The national capital experiences a cold wave today with the temperature of 10 degrees Celsius, and because of the chilly waves, the people of national capital are facing a lot of problems. But talking about today's situation, then yes, the foggy situation is a little bit better. I'll show you the visuals also, because the visibility is a little bit better as compared to yesterday and earlier days, because then the visibility has reached, as we can say, reduced to the level of zero also. But today the visibility is a little bit better, but yes, due to the dipping temperature in the Delhi NCR, the daily commuters and people are facing a lot of problems. Flights and trains are getting affected because of that. Today early in the morning till morning, we can say around 200 flights have been impacted, have been delayed because of the foggy situations around the Delhi NCR, and apart from that, some trains are also running late because of the foggy situations. Today the situation is a little bit better, but the temperature is dipping down more and more in the Delhi NCR region. Today's temperature has been observed to be around 10 degrees of Celsius, but IMD has issued an orange alert. Due to that, it has also been predicted that the upcoming days will be a little bit more chiller for the people of Delhi also, because the temperature is expected to drop down by the levels of 5 to 6 degrees of Celsius. And apart from the cold waves, the people of Delhi are also facing the problem of pollution, because once again the air quality index has increased. The levels have crossed the mark of 400 in some of the particular areas. So yes, all the viewers of NewsX, we also urge you to take care of yourself from the chilly vibes, from the cold waves, and also from the pollution. I'm Mehendi Garg for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.